Yeah, hello guys. So, on the great demand of the participants, I am making this video on the basic data analysis you can perform on the eViews software. eViews is a statistical software and is a very powerful tool when it comes to applying the statistics on various data set. So if you are applying it, let's say on the stock prices, on the currencies, and on any other data set, it will perform important statistics. For example, uh, checking the stationarity, checking the uh, normality of the data. All these things can be, making a regression analysis. All these things can be easily done through eViews. So I will make this lecture or video probably in 3 to 4 parts. And the first part is basically to give you the basic understanding of eViews, how to start, how to uh, uh, download or upload the data sets into the eViews software, and how to perform basic statistical analysis on eViews. Later on, we will cover the details about the stationarity of the data, and in another part also, I will try to cover the how to set the relationship between the variables, maybe how to set the time series analysis, how to do the time series analysis, how to do the regression analysis on eViews. So guys, hope you will like this video, and let me open this eViews. So here you can see the screen when you open the eViews software. Uh, the number one thing you have to do is to give this software the required data files. So we have to go to files. Let's close this. Go to file, open, and let's say you are working with a Excel file. Then eViews take it as a foreign data as work file. Later on, when you save your work files, it will be saved as eViews work file. There you can uh, upload your data from eViews work file only. So let's say I'm working on a foreign data, means an Excel file. That Excel file is nothing but the, let's say, prices of Reliance and Nifty, for example. So I'm taking this file wherever it was stored, and it will take some ranges, and this data is like this. You just have to press next. You have to just tell it that my headers are in the row 1, so that it will take the data accordingly. Say next, next, and say finish. Say no to this. Now these are nothing but the headers of your Excel sheet. I just show you which Excel sheet actually I have taken for this analysis, so that you can understand how it is uh, looking like. So here is the Excel sheet which I have uploaded to the eViews software. You can see the columns are date, Nifty close, and the Reliance close. And this is the data from 1st January 2018 to 30th July 2020, both for the Nifty and the Reliance stock. I've taken these two stocks because later on we will perform some kind of relationship analysis between Nifty and the Reliance through eViews. and hence you can see that this is what the columns which are coming in the eViews: dates, Nifty close, and Reliance close. Whatever data you want to pick, you can pick upon, and it will open the data accordingly. If you want to take both of the data simultaneously, you can do the same thing by just selecting the both uh, uh, columns, both headers. Just select the both of them, press enter, and you will see now you will have Nifty and the Reliance both on the same window, as you can see in the Excel sheet. So this is how we have actually taken the data into the eView software. Now let's say we just perform some kind of basic analysis on Reliance prices. I've taken Reliance close, and I want to just plot a graph of the stock prices. Go to graph and just pick line and symbol graph that we want to see, or otherwise you can pick bar graph and other kind of graphs here. There are various kind of graphs can be plotted in the eView software. If it is not clicked, just click this connect adjacent so that it will create a line graph for you. This is what the line graph of my data. You can see there is a trend, and later on we will try to understand how to perform analysis when there is a trend or there is no trend in the data. So now you can go to this stats, and this will make this as histogram. This will calculate the mean of the prices, median, what is the maximum price, what is the minimum price, what is the standard deviation of the prices, and all other normal distribution parameters it just calculated. Let's say, for example, now you want to work on returns. Go to sheet. From this default, just pick percentage change. It will convert all the data into the percentage returns, daily returns. Now go to graph, and same way, now you can see that the graph is now there for the returns. It's not there on the prices. Now you can see there is no trend, such trend, because these are Reliance daily returns. You can now again perform that statistical analysis. Go to stats. Okay, it is again coming for prices because our sheet is basically on the prices. What we have to do is okay, now what I did is I have calculated the Reliance returns on that particular sheet. These are the daily returns of Reliance and calculated for the entire period, the Reliance daily returns. Just save this file and we will upload this file to the eViews software. Go back to eViews. Now we should be seen as another column as Reliance returns. Open foreign data as work file. Reliance Nifty. And now you can see another Reliance return kind of a column has added to the things. This is what my eViews. So same way, I go to file, open foreign data as work file, pick my file and Click next, and got finish. I got this another column as Reliance return. Let's open these Reliance returns. Same way, go to graph. And you can see graph of the returns. Go to statistics. This is now the statistics for the Reliance return. You can see, you can now observe that bell-shaped curve, which is showing that somewhat they are actually somewhat normally distributed. The prices were not, but the returns are, and the mean returns are basically 0.1583%, approximately zero. Median is also approximately zero, showing another property of normal distribution. Maximum returns are in one day. Reliance has gone up 14.7% up. Minimum means minus 13%. This is what the normal one standard deviation is of the returns. This is how you can perform the basic things on eViews when it comes to using the eViews and uploading the data. We can do the same thing on Nifty Close. Go to views, graph, and you can see this is what the Nifty is from 2018 to 2020. There are many other things that we will learn, guys. We will have to learn, many things from here. Let's say I'm opening again the Reliance Close. You can see parallelogram, which will give us the autocorrelation thing. We will have to see some of the unit root test. We may use regression analysis, equation, and all those things what we can easily perform over the eViews. So I will come back with another video which will cover all those things in eViews. I just show you another example. How can we use this? Let's say I'm opening foreign. Let's close this once. So let's go to file, open, foreign data as work file, and this time I am opening, let's say, the prices of USD INR, that too weekly. So I have this sheet as weekly prices and weekly returns. Let's say I am opening the weekly returns and then going to graph. You can see these are the weekly returns where you can perform some kind of deviation analysis that we will do sometime. Probably you can see, that the returns are basically in a range, and we can hence test the stationarity of this data to understand whether or not returns are stationary. That we will do in our later video. Let's see on the statistics, and you can see that this is also showing the properties of normal distributed bell curve, and that how we can adjust all those things, that we will learn. But the basic stats you can see here, all those things on the weekly returns of USD INR. If you just do the same thing on the prices, you can see graph, and this is what the trend is, this is what the prices are. You can understand the stats as well. All these things are there just on a click. Thank you so much, guys. So I will come back with another video. There we will learn some more advanced analysis over the eViews.